Alright, so in the previous video, we created the sign up page. So in this video, we're actually going to create the login page. Hold on just one second. I am offering free coaching to those of you who need help in JavaScript development, Flutter development, and most front-end or full-stack JavaScript frameworks. If you're not opposed to receiving some help, message me through Discord at 8dang. I'll be sure to include my tag below, but remember, I might not be able to help with everything, but I'll try my best. But with that out of the way, let's get back into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is in the app folder, we're going to create a new folder called login. And then inside the sign up folder, all we could do is literally just copy all of these files and then paste it into the login like so. So you see how we have the 4 files exactly the same. Let's edit them in a bit. So instead of saying create user, we say create session. So then let's import create session right now and let's remove create user. And then we could rename the action to login action. So then if we open up the form.tsx file, we could fix the import from sign up action to login action. So right here, login action. So instead of having a name property, we could just have this like this. So then once that's done, we could close this file and then we could go to the page.tsx file and we could change the title from sign up to log in. And then we could change the text right here to say log in. And then right here, we could just say log into your account like that. So then we could close this file and then we can open up the submit button.tsx file. And then we could change this from sign up status, and we could rename symbol. We could do sign up status to login status. And then instead of saying sign up, we could just say log in. And then once that's done, we can open up the terminal and run npm run dev and then open up the local host. So then you should have this open and then we could go to the login page. So if you follow through with my previous video, you should get redirected to the account page. And just to see this, just to actually go to the behavior, we could go to the storage and you can access the cookies in any way that your browser allows you to. But for Safari, you just go to storage and you just remove the token. So once you remove the token, you can refresh and you should be able to go to the login page. So once you're in the login page, you should be able to sign up to login and the sign up page. So you see right there, and then we could just log in like so. We could just use the same email that we created the account in the previous video. So johndoe@email.com. We can say test right there, and we should get redirected to the account page. And just to test it out, let's go open up the terminal and go run PSQL custom-auth, and then we just do select star from sessions. So then you see how we have a token and it's for this UID. Now let's just log out again, doing the same thing. Let's go to storage and we could take off this token. And now we could refresh and go to the login page and log into the same email like so. And then if we run the same command, you see that the token is different, but the UID is different. So we create a new token every time we log in. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are excited for my next video. I hope you guys are too. Like and comment and give me feedback on these types of videos. Thank you.